Hey, welcome back to Central Texas Backyard Homestead. Today I'm going to be talking about radishes. As you can see, this radish is a pretty big one, and radish is a cold weather crop and they come out really good. You can see all the radishes that I planted and all the ones that are ready to be picked. Usually when I get radishes, I like to just lightly coat them with olive oil and then bake them with some of the ranch powder on them, and they come out wonderful. So if you want to grow something during the winter, radishes is one of the crops that you can do. Also carrots. You can see all my carrots right there too. So enjoy and plant something, even in December or late November, early December. Thank you. So at this point, with the radishes, I also put in seed tape for some spinach, and we'll see how that goes. Done. So just an update on the planting of the radishes and the spinach. I have it in the greenhouse under a grow light, and you can see that it's taken off pretty good. Yeah. So we'll be having fresh radishes in about 2 weeks or so. So there you go. One of the crops that you can raise in the winter.